You've been notified your holds are ready at the library. Yay! But now what do? This short video will explain how to make an appointment online. Start at sccld.org/curbside. Scroll down to make a curbside appointment and click on the library that has your holds. Let's choose Gilroy Library. On this page, you'll find important information regarding curbside service, such as hours for holds pickup and returns, safety protocols, instructions to follow when you arrive, and more. The reservation calendar shows the available appointment times for the next 10 days. You can change the dates using the arrows. Green means that the time slot is available. The dark blue means the time is unavailable. Click on the time that's convenient for you. Then click Submit Time. Next, fill in your name, email address, and click Yes to confirm you've received notification your holds are ready. If you have not received a confirmation, please do not book an appointment or your holds may not be available by your scheduled time. Provide a phone number and your library card number so we can check out your holds in advance to quickly get you on your way. If you're picking up items from multiple household members and have received a confirmation notice for those items, select Yes. Then enter each additional library card number so we can get those holds ready as well. If you're using the curbside pickup, fill in the required information. If you're using any other mode of transportation or don't want to book an appointment, just come into the library. You should first make sure you receive confirmation your holds are available before coming in. Campbell Library, in anticipation of its move later this spring and preparation for a full renovation, will continue to provide walk-up service Monday through Saturday. When you're done, click on Submit My Booking. You will receive an email confirmation with your appointment time. Save this email, and if you need to cancel your appointment for any reason, you can easily do it through a link provided in the email. If you'd like to schedule by phone, please call 408-540-3947 Monday through Saturday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. We hope you enjoy our new curbside service. We look forward to seeing you soon.